I'm afraid you're in a rather unfortunate situation. You've injured your leg and are unable to walk, and a number of zombies are shuffling towards you, intent on eating your brains. Luckily, you're a crack shot and have your trusty rifle to hand. The zombies start at range meters and move at 0.5 meters per second. Each second, you first shoot one zombie and then the remaining zombies shamble forwards another 0.5 meters. If any zombies manage to get to 0 meters, you get eaten. If you run out of ammo before shooting all the zombies, you also get eaten. To keep things simple, we can ignore any time spent reloading. Write a function that accepts the total number of zombies, a range in meters, and the number of bullets you have. If you shoot all the zombies, return you shot all X zombies. If you get eaten before killing all the zombies and before running out of ammo, return you shot X zombies before being eaten. Overwhelmed. If you run out of ammo before shooting all the zombies, return you shot X zombies before being eaten. Ran out of ammo. Good luck. I'm using JavaScript for this solution. Let's do it. The range parameter's value is essentially doubled by being multiplied by 2. This is done to account for the shooter's range, presuming that each shot can kill 2 zombies that are inside the designated range. The variable rangeRemaining is assigned the value of zombies minus range, representing the number of zombies that are outside the effective shooting range. Similarly, the variable ammoRemaining is assigned the value of zombies minus ammo, representing the number of zombies that cannot be eliminated due to insufficient ammunition. The code then enters an if statement to check if either rangeRemaining or ammoRemaining is greater than 0. This condition determines whether there are zombies remaining that cannot be eliminated. If the condition in the previous step is true, the code further checks whether rangeRemaining is less than ammoRemaining. This comparison determines whether the shooter ran out of ammo before eliminating all the zombies or if they were overwhelmed by the remaining zombies. If rangeRemaining is indeed less than ammoRemaining, the code returns a string using template literals to interpolate the number of zombies that were shot before running out of ammo. If rangeRemaining is not less than ammoRemaining, it means that the shooter was overwhelmed by the remaining zombies. In this case, the code returns a string indicating the number of zombies shot before being overwhelmed. If both rangeRemaining and ammoRemaining are less than or equal to 0, the code reaches the final else statement. This means that all the zombies have been shot, and it returns a string indicating the total number of zombies shot.